The next topic that we'll be exploring is to create a list in LaTeX. To do this, let's go ahead and create a brand new section. Coming to the end of a .tex file, \section lists. Let's compile. The list section has been added, and now if we scroll up to our table of contents, we can see the new section has also been added to this particular list. The first type of list that we'll be looking into is an unordered list, which you might also call as bullet list. I'm just creating a subsection. Note that all this is irrelevant. I'm just creating sections, subsections as we discuss new topics, just to make sure that you see these commands repeatedly, and also to have a nice looking final document where we have all the topics that we have discussed throughout the lesson. Unordered list. We compile. Let me add some text here. In this section, we will be exploring unordered list. The first thing that we need to do before we add content into a list is to start a list environment. Note that a LaTeX environment starts with begin and ends with the end command. So let's type it begin, open parenthesis. Inside this, we need to define the list environment, and in LaTeX, it is called itemize. Once we have the begin command, we need to have an end command as well, end itemize. If I just compile now, let me just disable stop on first error. I'm now getting an error because I've created a list environment, but I have no entries in it. To do that, we need to use a command called \item. \item says this is a new entry in the list. So start a new bullet point. Now, what is the entry in itself? We need to type apple, orange, banana. Recompile. Perfect. So note the correlation. The begin itemize, end itemize command start an unordered list environment. And each time we type in an item command, we get a new bullet point. So for instance, if I want to add another bullet point, I need to have another entry, say mango. To do that, I need to go to my list environment and add the item command saying I'm going to add another entry. After that, I'm going to start typing the entry in itself, which is mango. So you see, the new entry has been added. Note that Olive and many of the local LaTeX editors provide shortcuts for you. So if you just go ahead here, you have a bullet list shortcut. If you click on it, you see it automatically adds the begin itemize, end itemize command, and also adds an item command for you.